Let's study the topic. Rest is a state of an object which does not allow to change its position with respect to its surrounding with the passage of time. Okay, suppose that a book is lying on the table. At first, we write the definition. If position, here is the definition. If the position does not change, okay, position does not change with respect to its surrounding. This is very much important. Position is not changing with respect to its surrounding with passage of time. Time is passing and the position is not changing. Its position is constant. That is, book is not changing its position. This is the table, okay? This is a table and this is a book on the table. The book is here at 12 o'clock. The book is here at 5 o'clock. The book is here at 8 o'clock. With passage of time, the book is lying here on the table. That is, the position is not changing with respect to its surrounding. What is the surrounding of the book? This table is the surrounding. Okay, surrounding is this table. Always we calculate position is in rest or motion with respect to its surrounding. This is the biggest point. Okay, with respect to what? With respect to surrounding. This is the most important point here. Okay, the book is at rest. How we can say? With respect to its surrounding only. Okay, if the position is not changing, then the book will be called at rest. Okay, it is very much important that the comparison here happens with its surrounding. Okay, now the next topic, motion. Just opposite of this, if the position of an object is changing continuously with respect to its surrounding, it is said to be in the state of motion. Here the definition is just reverse. Okay, in the rest, what we saw, the position does not change. Here the position changes with respect to its surroundings. Okay, for example, a man walking. A man is walking. The walking man is walking. This is a man. Suppose that this is a man. Okay, this is walking means what is it? Its surrounding will be earth. Walking on earth, or suppose that a tree is here. The position is changing with respect to this point of the on the earth. This tree just aside of this. So every other object is will be surrounding. Okay, and if the position is changing with respect to that object, then the object will said to be in motion. If the position changes, if the position does not change, it will be in rest. Okay, and before going to other topics, that is types of motion and others, let us understand first what is the difference between distance and displacement.